Present here. Let me take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. I'm sure all of us are really proud to be in this noble profession. And there can never be another day better than today to appreciate the efforts each one of you have taken in this situation that is called as the new normal. New, of course it is, but what is normal, I still do not understand. But still, as educators and the team of Srimati Sureshba Vidya Mandir has not allowed any student to suffer in this pandemic situation. And for this, I would like to applaud each and every one of you and appreciate each and every one for all the efforts that we have taken. It makes a day very important because of the full team spirit. Here at this juncture, I would also like to appreciate my student team who has been a great support in bringing up this program today. And what you're going to witness today is one of the major initiatives taken by our students. So I would like to just introduce them to, here we have Dev, the head boy of our school, Diksha, the head girl of our school, Siddharth, Sinchan, Urvi, Lavisha, Lakshmi, Dhrumi, Kirtan, Pratham, Mayuresh, Parv, Mihika, and my tiny tots Rituja and Divija, who has done a commendable job for the past 1 month. And I hope you are going to have a lovely time today with no technical issues. So from here, I would request Dev and Diksha to take over the further proceedings. Over to you, Dev.
Thank you, madam.
Good morning, respected members of management, heads of all sections, teachers, and my dear friends. Happy Teachers' Day to each and every teacher. Teachers' Day is celebrated on the account of the birth anniversary of the second President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. On this auspicious day, we students, under the guidance of Jyoti Madam, have decided to give you all a surprise by conducting the Teachers' Day without taking the help of any teacher. So, let's start the program without further delay.
We wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. In the current pandemic situation, when we are sitting in our homes, our teachers are doing a splendid job of teaching us virtually. It is new for both teachers and students. But our teacher's task is more difficult and challenging. As it is said, teaching is more difficult than learning. Creating PowerPoint presentation, teaching virtually, as well as doing the household work is really appreciated. We students have a small surprise for all you teachers. A small initiative from our side to express our gratitude to all the teachers who take efforts for us. So, without any delay, let's begin the program. We hope you loved the rendition by my friends. Since our teachers are so cool, we thought, why don't we do something on more fun and lighter notes? For this, I would like to call upon Super Cool Dave and Siddharth. Over to you, friends.
Once again, good morning and welcome to the Teachers' Day celebration to all the teachers. We have created memes for each and every one of you as an introduction for you all on this auspicious day of Teachers' Day.
These are some memes which are dedicated to each and every teacher. The first meme says, "Excuse me, yes you. Without y'all teachers, we wouldn't have any class. We appreciate you all and your sacrifices for us won't go unnoticed."
The second meme is extremely relatable to the current situation. Yes, we students are sleeping peacefully in our homes, but you teachers are working consistently without any rest for us and protecting us from exam pressure, failure, and fear of scoring less marks.
So now let's start with the memes of the primary section.
Yes, so the first meme for the primary section is about the teacher who is the head of the pre-primary section. Yes, it's Dr. Rupa Chetty. Face of students when Rupa madam catches them doing some mischief. Yes, it's the same. Students behave as if they are innocent and they haven't done anything.
Next up is the meme of the teacher who works in the school office. She is strict, but her work is flawless. If you guessed Manisha Miss, then you are absolutely correct. Yes, whenever Manisha Miss asks for money from the student, she always says, "Paisa laya?"
The next teacher is also a part of the office staff and is really very peaceful, calm, a very kind-hearted miss, and is very loving towards the students. Yes, it's Viva Miss. Vima Miss doing her work in the office peacefully on the computer, and then some random student pops up to come to call their parents from the office. Vima Miss is really very peaceful and gives us the phone to call. She doesn't shout on us.
Next up, we have a teacher who is a computer wizard. If you guessed Pooja Miss, then you are correct. When Pooja Miss completes all of her work a bit earlier, this is Pooja Miss's reaction. Interesting.
Next up, we have a teacher who is really very creative, hardworking, and she loves her students a lot and teaches them with a lot of dedication. Yes, Celine Fernandez. Celine Miss teaching her students with love and dedication. Celine Miss, yes, it's honest work. I also remember once experience of mine when I was in junior KG and I had brought a toy gun by mistake in the school. Celine Miss explained me peacefully not to do this again.
Next up, we have a teacher who is a simple person and who does her work diligently. Can you guess who it is? Yes, it's Sujata Miss. Yes, Sujata Miss really loves her students and tries to protect them from exam fear and the burden of studies.
Next up, we have another teacher of the pre-primary section who is a loving mother and a very confident person, but at the same time, she is also strict in discipline regarding her students. Yes, Vaishali Mankar. When students start making a lot of noise in the class, Yes, this is Vaishali Miss, of course. She doesn't want her students to look here and there. She wants them to pay attention in the class.
Next up, we have a teacher who is very passionate and also very dedicated towards her work. If you guess Shraddha Miss, then you are correct. When Shraddha Miss says that we are going to play games today, all the students become very happy and starts to make the noise. But she then reveals that we are going to play games today related to our studies. But then the students' reaction is, oh my god.
Next up, we have another teacher who is really very affectionate and fun loving. Yes, Dimple Fernandez. When Dimple Miss teaches something multiple times and students don't get it, Dimple Miss's reaction. Of course, all the teachers are fun loving, but everyone would get bored if they explain something to students and they don't understand it.
Next up, we have a teacher who is very emotional, but she also balances her work and family well. Yes, it's Bharti Miss. Bharti Miss balances the schoolwork and family very well, and then she's like perfectly balanced as all things should be.
Next up, we have a teacher who is really very sensitive and kind-hearted and also likes to interact with the children a lot. Yes, Poonam Kalamkar. When Poonam Miss is playing games with nursery children, Poonam Miss, I hope you are enjoying it. Yes, she wants that her students should really be very happy.
Next up, we have a teacher who is loving and cheerful. If you guess Sharvina Miss, then you are correct. This is Sharvina Miss's reaction when she asks the students if they have any doubt, and all the students raise their hands at the same time.
Next up, we have a teacher who is really very friendly and likes to enjoy her life to the fullest. Yes, it's Shefali Mehta. Shefali Miss telling something really very important to the students, and some student in the back constantly disturbing the entire class.
Next up, we have a teacher who is very ambitious and strong-willed. If you guessed Alicia Miss, then you are right. This is the face of Alicia Miss when she meets her students, because she loves her students very much.
Now I am going to ask you all to guess the next teacher's name. Yes, the next teacher is really very stylish, trending, and likes to be active on social media. And she likes to be uploading pictures on various social media platforms. Can any of you all guess who it is?
Josephine.
Yes, it's correct. It's Josephine Mudliar. Just being a normal teacher? No. Also being a stylish and trending teacher? Yes.
Next up, we have a teacher who sings very beautifully, and she is very sweet. She is often compared to a melody queen. Can you guess who it is?
Shefali
Okay.
Miss.
Yes, she is Sefali Miss. This is Sefali Miss's reaction when all the students start making noise.
Next up, we have the teacher who is really very sincere and puts in a lot of efforts in all the work that she does. And she really likes to interact with all her students. Yes, it's Chaya Patel. Chaya misses students when she asks them if anyone wants to participate in annual day or any other function. The students be like, हाँ मुझे interest है, बहुत interest है.
Next up, we have a sir whose dance moves leave the students in awe. Can you guess who it is?
Abhijit sir.
Yes, You are absolutely correct. When students gain some piece of advice and knowledge about dance, this is their reaction. They are extremely happy. Now, let's continue with the memes for the primary section.
The first teacher we have is the head of the primary and the secondary section, and it's because of her why a school has progressed this far. Yes, it's Jyoti Iyer. Jyoti madam comes in classes suddenly to evaluate the students. This is the exact same situation.
Next up, we have a teacher who is very disciplined, yet she is also kind. If you guessed Archana Miss, then you are correct. This is very relatable to the situation in class. When students in Archana Miss's class start forgetting their homework and notebooks, Archana Miss be like, लापरवाही बढ़ती ही चली जा रही है.
Alright, so the next teacher of the primary section, I'm going to ask you all to guess who it is. She's really very strict, but also kind-hearted from inside, and all the students fear her a lot. Can any of your teachers guess who it is? Alright, so let me just say, it's Preeti Miss. Yes, this is 100% relatable. When someone does mischief in the class and Preeti Miss asks who did it, she be like, "Kaun tha?"
Next up, we have a teacher who is very friendly and energetic. Can you guess who it is? Don't worry, I'll tell you. It's Krushita Miss. Krushita Miss loves her students very much and she tries to protect them from getting bad grades.
Next up, we have a teacher who makes sure that each and every one of our students try to guess full marks in their exams and really cares a lot about their students. Yes, Radhika Kadam. When Radhika misses students score excellent marks in the test, but then she decides to have another test for them. The students be like this. They are really happy that they scored good marks, but now they are really very worried that now they have to face another test.
Next up, we have a teacher who is very polite and she's also very ambitious. It's Alicia Miss. When students become very happy for the PT period as they will get to play games. And then suddenly Alicia Miss enters the class and announces that the PT sir is absent and it's a geography proxy. And so the students become very sad.
Alright, the next one is a guessing game. I'm pretty sure that all the teachers will be able to guess who this teacher is. She's from the primary section, and the way she teaches history is so good that it is nearly impossible for students to forget the concept that she has taught. Can any of you all guess who it is? Any teacher who can guess? Alright, no problem. Let me tell it.
Is it Seema
Jyoti
teacher?
It's Jyoti Phadke. Students learning history on their own? No, it's really weak and they will not be able to remember it. But Jyoti Phadke Miss teaching history? Yes, it's strong and it fits into your mind.
Next up, we have a teacher who is very diligent and simple. Can you guess who it is?
Tina Miss.
No. Sorry.
Seema miss.
Seema Miss.
No.
Mrudula Miss.
Yes. Yes, you're correct. It's Mrudula Miss. When Mrudula Miss says that she will play games but then decides to teach the next maths chapter, students' reaction be like, oh.
Alright. The next meme we have about is a teacher who teaches English and grammar in the primary section, and she makes sure that each and every one of her students understand everything. Yes, it's Seema Chaudhary. Whenever Seema Miss decides to take a revision of all the grammar, this little maneuver is gonna cost us 51 years. Of course, she takes a long time because she wants to make sure that all her students remember and understand everything.
Next up, we have a teacher who is very charismatic and helpful. Can you guess who it is?
Tina miss.
Yes, you're correct. It's Tina Miss. When a student gives answer to the most difficult question no one could have answered, Tina Miss's reaction. I was not expecting that, but I was expecting not to expect something, so it doesn't come.
Alright, the next teacher is really very easy to guess. He is a sir from the primary section who has extraordinary skills of art and craft. Can you all guess who it is?
Yogesh sir.
Yogesh sir.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. Yogesh sir's plot twist be like, students, today we'll go to the playground. And all the students are like, yes. And then he'll be like, today we'll go to the playground to do drawing. And then all the students are disappointed.
Next up, we have a sir who is the PT teacher of the primary section, and he's also very strict and disciplined. Can you guess who it is?
Sagar.
Sagar sir.
Yes, yes, all of you are correct. It's Sagar sir. I have seen this happening when students are having fun in the corridor, and then Sagar sir comes and then starts to blow his whistle. All the students run away in fear.
Alright, the next teacher we have is also a melody queen of the primary section. She not only knows to sing excellently but also plays instrument like the Casio. Can you all guess who it is?
Ratna Miss.
Yes, absolutely correct. This is the same situation during the practice of any function when students don't sing properly for the first time. Ratna Miss be like, Chamaila, लगता है मेरे को गाना गाना पड़ेगा.
Next up, we have a sir who is a very skillful classical dancer, and he also conducts activities on Saturdays. Can you guess who it is?
Mehul sir.
Yes. Yes. When Mehul sir teaches a very good dance step to the students, and then the students react like they have understood everything. But when Mehul sir tells them to repeat it, and then they cannot. They just show any random dance step.
Alright. The next sir we have has such extraordinary acting skills that sometimes it becomes really difficult to guess whether he's really acting or saying something for real. Can any of you all guess who it is?
Bhavesh.
Absolutely correct. Whenever a student does some bad acting, Bhavesh sir be like, 50 रुपया का इसका ओवर एक्टिंग का.
Next up, we have a sir who is an expert in skating and has won numerous awards for the same. Can you guess who it is?
Bhavesh.
Yes, you're right. I have personally seen this happening as I took part in skating a long time ago. Senior student helping junior student in skating. Kamlesh sir calls the senior student and he immediately goes. Meanwhile, the junior student bumps into a pillar.
Alright, the next teacher we have is really very kind-hearted, likes to interact with the students, and is the librarian of the school. It's really easy to guess. Can you all tell?
Anupriya.
Yes. This is the exact same situation. Anupriya miss when her students don't come on time in the library. Anupriya miss be like, अब तक तो उसको आ जाना चाहिए था.
Now let's proceed towards the secondary section.
Alright, the first meme we have is for the teacher who had also been once a national level throwball player. Can any one of you all guess who it is?
Pauline ma'am.
Pauline ma'am.
Yes, that's true.
Anime.
Watching school cinema? No, but learning new something with Pauline ma'am? Yes, all the students love that.
Next up, we have a teacher who always entertains us in her class. Can you guess?
Kusumas.
No. She does, but more than her. Yes, it's Supriya Miss. जेव्हा सुप्रिया मिस प्रश्न विचारते व कोणत्याही विद्यार्थी चुकीचे उत्तर देतो तेव्हा सुप्रिया मिस ओहो गलत जवाब.
Alright, the next teacher we have is the teacher who has made history really easy for students by making concept charts and flow charts for each and every paragraph of the student. And it's because of her why we get such good marks in history. Can any one of you all guess who it is? Absolutely correct. Now the meme for... Yes, it's correct. Now the meme which we have for her is extremely correct. This happens mostly. Any students in the class who tells, "Ma'am, I'm not feeling good. My stomach and head is aching." And Reshma miss slams the same sentence every time. Just keep your head down.
Next up, we have a teacher who not only taught us geography, but also told us many things about the Bhagavad Gita and other holy books. Can you guess who she is?
Naina Miss.
Yes, you're correct. It's Naina Miss. When it's PT period and all the students are very happy, but then suddenly Naina Miss enters the class and then she announces that it's her geography proxy. The students get shocked and cannot cope up with what Naina Miss just said.
Alright, the next teacher we have has not only explained us everything in Marathi subject, but she also asked us to explain it back to her and all the students. Can any of you all guess who it is?
Reena Miss.
Yes, absolutely correct. This meme is 100% relatable to the situation which takes place in the class every day. जेव्हा पण लीना मिस कोणत्याही मुलाला बोलताना पकडते तेव्हा तो मुलगा मिस मी बोलत नव्हतो मिस मी काय नाही केलं.
Next up, we have a sir who is the head of the student council and he has won numerous awards in the field of cricket. Can you guess who he is?
Madhukar sir.
Yes, you all are correct. It's Madhukar sir. A difficult maths problem. Madhukar sir making it short and easy for students to understand.
Next up, we have a teacher who teaches us science and all the students are really very grateful to her. And it's because of her that our school has won the Greenest School Award in the Green School campaign. Can any of you all guess?
Kusumas.
Yes, it's absolutely correct. This meme takes place in the class every day. Kusum Miss enters the class. Everyone is silent. And then all of a sudden, one kid says, "Miss, check our homework." And the remaining students didn't do their homework.
Next up, we have a teacher who teaches us English and also has an excellent vocabulary. Can you guess who she is?
Animus.
Yes, you're correct. It's Animus. This is the reaction of Animus when some student constantly keeps disturbing the class during the online lecture. She says, "Am I a joke to you?"
Alright, The next teacher we have is the sir who always promises us to give us 2 extra credit marks for the extra questions he asks in science. But I really don't know whether he really gives it or not. Can
Sanjay
anyone
sir.
of you?
Sanjay sir.
Yes, you all know it. It's Sanjay sir. Lazy students who don't study for the test, and then Sanjay sir's surprise science test slams them in the head.
Next up, we have a teacher who gives the students various projects to teach her chapter. Can you guess who she is? Okay, I'll tell you. It's Nancy Miss. Nancy Miss congratulating a student for getting 100 marks. That student who was just about to say that he got 100 out of 600 marks.
Alright, the next meme we have is about the teacher who teaches us the subject Hindi and cracks us a lot of jokes in the class and always makes sure that her students laugh during the class and they're happy. You all can guess easily.
Sushma Miss.
Yes, it's absolutely correct. जब भी सुषमा मिस सभी बच्चों को दंड देकर सबको हाथ ऊपर करने बोलती है तभी सारे बच्चे हाथ दुखता है रे बाबा.
Next up, we have a teacher because of whom the students could score full marks in science. Can you guess who she is?
Kusum Miss.
No?
Ashwini Miss.
Yes, it's Ashwini Miss. This is the reaction of Ashwini Miss when she finds out that her worst behaved student has 3 younger siblings.
Alright, the next meme is about the teacher because of which we students fell in love with maths when we were pushed into the secondary section. Can you all guess who it is?
Swati Miss.
Yes, it's absolutely correct. If we are given the option end world hunger, end world poverty, and learn maths from Swati Miss, we would choose to learn maths from Swati Miss.
Next up, we have a teacher who teaches the students in a very creative way, and the students like her very much. Can you guess who she is?
Diksha Miss.
Yes, you're correct. It's Diksha Miss. This is Diksha Miss's reaction when a misbehaved student submits a really good project to her.
Next up, we have a meme about the sir who has contributed a lot of things for our school, and it's because of him our school has won many awards in karate and other sports. Yes, it's really easy to guess.
Rakesh.
Yes, absolutely correct.
Rakesh sir.
Rakesh sir boosting some students' morale during any function. Rakesh sir be like, "How's the Josh?" And students reply in Josh, "Hi sir."
Next up is the sir who not only taught us maths but also gave us extra mind-boggling puzzles and sums. Can you guess who he is?
Paresh sir.
Yes, you're correct. It's Paresh sir. Paresh sir teaches maths by cracking hilarious jokes. Therefore, students learn maths by having fun.
Alright, the next teacher we have is the one who teaches us the subject Hindi, but she is also a guide captain for the scouts and guides in our school. It's really easy to guess.
Nisha Miss.
Absolutely correct. When Nisha Miss asks the question in the class and the student gives the right answer by a fluke, the students be like,
Next up, we have a teacher who not only taught us Marathi but also corrected our every little mistake. Can you guess who she is?
Swati Miss.
Yes, you're correct. It's Swati Miss. Swati Mote Miss when students start gossiping during the class. हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
Next up, we have a teacher whose art and craft skills are really very good. It's really easy to guess.
Pranali Miss.
Absolutely correct. This meme is 100% relatable to the situation which takes place in a class every day. When Pranali Miss sarcastically says to students to keep talking and they really start talking. And Pranali Miss be like, am I a joke to you?
Next up, we have a sir who not only plays various instruments but also conducts Saturday activities. Can you guess who he is?
Rohidas
Yes,
sir.
you are absolutely correct. If you give Rohidas sir two options, extremely amazing classical music or boring and crappy Bollywood songs, he will always go for the classical music over Bollywood songs. Thank you for being with us.
Wasn't it really cool? Now, let's step ahead and listen to the feelings of the children.
Very warm welcome to all of you. I want to use this moment to thank all of you for preparing us to compete with this world. The days prior to lockdown still remain in our minds when we all came to school, spent a lot of quality times with you, gained knowledge and learned values too.
Little did we know that the huge pandemic will strike and we all will be locked at our home in a moment. No schools, no teachers, no friends, all gone just in a blink of an eye.
But this did not stop the educators. You teachers took it on you to see to it that our learning is not hampered in any way. A sudden shift in the teaching medium from chalk and duster to the digital platform brought up a lot of challenges, but that did not stop me.
You learned new trends and engaged us with creative methodologies. You tried your best to compensate the real classroom experience which we missed so much. A sincere heartfelt thank you for this.
This pandemic has shown us the real picture of life and that nothing can be permanent over here. But what goes a long way, that is the value system taught in home and in our school. We have now started understanding the value of basic qualities of respecting each other, taking care of one another, not to take anyone or anything for granted, being with the current trends and survival for the fittest. Thank you for insisting these values in us.
Sorry teachers if we ever took you for granted or misbehaved with you, but we really love you and honor the every effort you took for us. Thanks for being our heroes and hope we can also be your heroes in the future.
Parth and Mayuresh, you really made us feel nostalgic. Oh, being at home is so boring these days. I really miss my school, friends and my teachers. I'm really waiting for this pandemic to end quickly so that I can get back to school.
साल भर कड़ी मेहनत कर, मन लगाकर, थोड़ी आपसे डांट भी खाकर, हमने आपसे है बहुत कुछ सीखा। आज जब रिजल्ट लेने की बारी आई, हम आपसे स्कूल में आकर मिल भी न पाए। आपको अंदाजा नहीं है जरा भी, कितना दुखी है ये मन हमारा। जो कहते थे हम आपसे, स्कूल से छुट्टी दो, खेलने दो, पढ़ाई छोड़ो, मोबाइल दो।
आज वही हम कह रहे हैं, बस अब स्कूल आने दो, दो पल आपसे मिलने दो, बिना आपके डांट के। बड़े खोखले लगते हैं हमें ये दिन जीवन के। गुड डे गुड मॉर्निंग ये कितने अहम शब्द है, ये आज हम अपने कानों में ही महसूस कर रहे हैं।
मजबूर है हम कि स्कूल नहीं आ पा रहे हैं, एग्जाम के बाद रिजल्ट वाले दिन मिलेंगे। मैम, क्या आप हमें नए क्लास में भी मिलेंगे? याद आते हैं वो दिन जब हम आपसे ये पूछा करते थे और आप जवाब में प्यार से मुस्कुरा देते थे।
हमारा दिल खुशी से खिल जाता था। आपका ये प्यार देख मन झूम उठता था। इतने दिन, इतने साल बीत गए, पर ये कितने खास पल थे हमारे लिए। ये हम आज है महसूस कर पा रहे। मजबूर है हम कि स्कूल नहीं आ पा रहे। मजबूर है हम कि स्कूल नहीं आ पा रहे।
सराउंडिंग्स को क्लीन रखना, अपने हाथों को बार बार धोना। सराउंडिंग्स को क्लीन रखना, अपने हाथों को बार बार धोना। ये वादा करते हैं हम आपसे आज कि आपकी सीख को बिल्कुल याद रखेंगे। सारे प्रिकॉशंस लेके, मास्क पहन के जरूरतमंद की मदद करेंगे।
अपने बड़ों की बात जरूर मानेंगे। थोड़ा भी बीमार पड़ने पर डॉक्टर के पास फौरन चले जाएंगे और साथ मिलकर हर मुसीबत का सामना करेंगे। टीचर्स, हम क्लास में फिर एक बार मिलेंगे। फिर वही पुरानी मौज मस्ती हम एक साथ करेंगे। हम आपको जरूर गर्व महसूस कराएंगे।
एक दिन आपको हम पे गर्व हो, ऐसा कुछ जरूर कर दिखाएंगे। तब तक आप हमें अपनी दुआओं में याद रखना, अपना ख्याल रखना और इसी तरह हमें प्यार करते रहना। टीचर्स डे के इस अवसर पर हम सब बच्चे आपसे सिर्फ इतना कहते हैं कि आप सब टीचर्स से हम बहुत सारा प्यार करते हैं।
And on behalf of all students of our school, we would like to wish all teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
Not only students, but our parents also have something special for you today. So, let's sit back and watch.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरवे नमः।
Open House Day. Teacher discusses children's progress in the class.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Shall we wait for 2 minutes for others to come? Please be seated. Thank you. I think it's time up. I distribute the paper meanwhile.
Yes.
Mrs. Schiller.
Thank you.
Mr. and Mrs. Shah. Mrs. Sharma. Please be seated. Congratulations. Your child stood first in the class.
थैंक यू मैम, ये सब आपकी मेहनत है मैम। अगर आपने इसका हाथ ना थामा होता ना तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं था। थैंक यू सो मच।
It's my duty anyways, and she is a bright child. Keep it up, Arya. Thank you, miss.
थैंक यू, बाय।
Bye. See you. God bless you, my child. Mr. and Mrs. Shah. falling day by day. Zero attention. Very distracted in the class. Is he showing same behavior in the house also?
He is a good behaved and active child. We'll take good care of him.
So we need to ask you that हमारे बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस इतना क्यों गिर रहा है?
Sir, we pay equal attention on each one.
खैर, we'll see to it.
God, it's so tiring to make parents realize that acceptance will only benefit their own child.
Announcement of COVID-19 by the principal.
This is to inform that due to COVID-19, schools will be shut down until further notice.
Oh God, what about the board students? What about the remaining papers? This will have an impact on their results and further admissions too.
Yes, true. I hope the government finds a solution for all the kids during this pandemic.
Seriously.
चलो अच्छा है, विदाउट एग्जाम्स सारे बच्चे पास हो जाएंगे, बट मेरे बच्चे ने एग्जाम्स की सारी तैयारियां कर ली थी.
No exam pressure. It is a sort of feeling. We'll utilize this lockdown and we'll see how distracted my child.
Conversation between Rahul's family during the COVID-19 lockdown.
सुनते हो, राहुल को बोलो पढ़ाई करने, सारा दिन मोबाइल पे रहता है. क्या क्या सोचा था इसके बारे में, ये पढ़ाऊंगी वो पढ़ाऊंगी, लेकिन इस घर से काम से फुर्सत मिले तो ना. अरे सुनते हो? हाँ बोलता हूँ.
राहुल, बुक खोल और पढ़. बंद कर मोबाइल. चल साइंस कर. पापा पापा, ग्रेविटी का लॉजिक समझाओ ना. एप्पल ट्री से नीचे गिरता है, फिर बलून के ऊपर जाता है. स्कूल में टीचर ने बोला होगा ना, बुक में पढ़ और समझ. बुक में डिटेल नहीं दिया है और स्कूल में टीचर ने समझाया था, पर मेरा ध्यान ही नहीं था. तो टीचर सही बोल रही थी. यूजलेस. अब पढ़ खुद से.
Discussion on the announcement of online schooling declared by the government.
अरे सुनो, आपने आज का अखबार पढ़ा? अभी स्कूल्स दोबारा शुरू होने वाली है. अभी स्कूल्स ऑनलाइन होगी.
थैंक गॉड. जिसका काम उसी को साजे, दूजा करे जो बुद्धू भाजे. पता नहीं टीचर इतने सारे बच्चों को कैसे संभालती होगी. हमसे तो ना हो पाएगा.
सही कहा आपने, हमसे तो हमारे 2 नहीं संभाले जाते.
Online school has started and everything is now functioning regularly. This is the new normal. Conversation between the parents over the phone.
हाय पूजा, हाउ आर यू? घर पे सब लोग कैसे हैं और कैसी चल रही है राहुल की ऑनलाइन स्टडी? आई एम तो हैप्पी. ये स्कूल वालों ने ऑनलाइन स्कूल शुरू करके बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, वरना इस लॉकडाउन के चक्कर में तो पूरा रूटीन ही चेंज हो गया था. बच्चे पूरी रात मोबाइल पे गेम खेलते और सुबह 12 बजे तक सोते रहते. ना फिजिकल एजुकेशन, ना पढ़ाई, ना क्रिएटिव डेवलपमेंट, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा था.
बिल्कुल सही कहा तुमने. अब सब कुछ ठीक हो रहा है. स्कूल ने पढ़ाई के साथ साथ फिजिकल एजुकेशन की क्लास शुरू करा के बहुत अच्छा किया.
तंदुरुस्ती भी तो ज़रूरी है। और इतना ही नहीं, म्यूज़िक, क्राफ्ट एंड आर्ट के साथ साथ वर्चुअल रेसिटेशन कंपटीशन अरेंज करा के बच्चों के साथ साथ हमारा भी तो स्पिरिट जगा दिया है।
Yes, really true. Teachers help mind to think, hands to create and heart to love.
Remember, tree plantation campaign, collection of garland during Ganesh Utsav to convert it into compost, collection of plastic waste to be sent for recycling, our Greenland campaign. The list of activities that our teachers were organizing for the overall holistic development of our children were too much.
Seriously, teachers are the one who are working so hard to mold our children's character and shape up their bright future. Really, hats off to all of them.
लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं कि वो खो जाए राह तो राह रोशन करते वो। कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो। हमें है यकीन हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो। दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती। हम में भी सलीका ना होता, जीने का तरीका ना होता। वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, के भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी।
गुरु में संसार समाया, उनका है आशीष पाया। प्रभु ने खुद से भी ऊंचा गुरु का है स्थान बताया। ये गुरुवर तो ज्ञान के सागर है, इनसे ही जन्नत है।
I really hope our small initiative has made this day memorable for you. I now request Rupa ma'am to speak a few words.
Good morning and wishing you once again a very happy Teachers' Day. Today is definitely a very happy day. Glad to see you all after long, like 5 months. And who would have thought that we would be meeting on such a platform? When Jyoti madam discussed this plan with me, I was like so skeptical. I was like, how? Do you think, can we do it? And like, yeah, she's laughing there, but she insisted. And it's completely her brainchild which got us here today. And she trusted her students. I would say she trusted her students to take this up, and what a commendable job the student council and the senior students have done. Also, hats off to the teachers. The teachers who have nurtured them, have made them so confident, and they have done it so well. I would thank the children. Dear students, thank you so much for making this day so special for all of us. God bless you all, and hope that we do really well as we come back to. A big thank you to Anusha. Anusha is Jyoti madam's daughter. Jyoti madam wanted this as a complete surprise for the teachers, so she roped in Anusha, and Anusha has been there throughout the program. Yeah, we can hear the parents clapping. Anusha has been there throughout the entire compiling of this beautifully presented program and coordinating with the students in spite of the time difference, I would say. Thank you, Anusha. I think yesterday, like 2 o'clock at night also, she was busy compiling because there were some glitches found. So thank you, Anusha.
Welcome.
Thank you for being there.
Most welcome. It's my pleasure.
Yeah, and also I would, a big thank you, a special thank you to our parents group. I would say the core group, the Hampanch group, that I can tell the 5 members that have got together and put it up so beautifully. Since there are only 5, I'll name them. Mrs. Bhanushali, Mrs. Sheila, Mrs. Gajra, Mrs. Hegiste, and Mrs. Awal. A big clap for them all, because they have portrayed this beautiful relationship between a student, a teacher, a school, parents. Yes, it was so overwhelming to know that we are being truly appreciated. I would say thank you, because of your support, the students and parents, we have overcome this challenging phase. And yes, most importantly, we had each other. That was something I think that kept us going. We reached out to each other, and we faced a couple of tragedies along the way. But since we had each other, we reached out and we have overcome that, and that has kept us strong, and we are being committed to our profession and to our children, because that has not pulled us down. That is what an educator is all about. I would say years from now, 2020 will be remembered as a year where we learned to live life at a distance from each other. But we continue to function as a family, as a team. And that is what matters. And that is what has made all the difference. Thank you all of you. I'm so overwhelmed today because I have been missing all this. I've been missing all this fun, and we bonded over it. A big thank you to Jyoti madam. I never visualized this kind of thing. I was like, Jyoti, how? Yes, but she kept coordinating and things were falling into place. And yes, till yesterday, I was like, Jyoti, are we going to really go ahead and do
Rupa,
all this?
It's a team, Rupa. It is nothing me alone. It's always a team.
Yeah, but the complete coordination with the children and everything, and some of the parts were kept as a surprise for me also. So it was like, wow. So all I can say, we shall meet soon. We shall meet soon and celebrate this togetherness again. Hope we are healthy and fine and rocking as always as we get back together. I'm missing all this, and I know you are all missing this. And we get back together and be with the students, be with the parents, and yes, be with each other. That's what we are missing, but nevertheless, we always have this kind of platforms going for us. Thank you, love you all, and God bless you all.